sesiya ku Christmas. Ngifuna ukutshela abazalwane ukuthi be careful nina abasindisini. Kune demon eligcoka impahla zika Father Christmas. Yes. And liyajumpa, I don't know. Liyajumpa just like chup ubele lapha chup. Kunesisu but uyajumpa. Just like angithi ama demon manje.
Ayino Father Christmas phela wena phela vele mkhulu. Wangithi bayenza ukuthi aphe imkhulu benentsha.
Yes. Yeah. So that's why uJesu ungibonisa le at lo I demon. La lento le Christmas.
Yeah.
So uJesu ufuna ukuthi sikhuze abazalwane. Angithi abazalwane uma kuyi Christmas baye esontweni bathi bayo celebrate ukuzalwa kaJesu. uJesu akayifuni lento leyo. Akayifuni, akusintando yakhe, akusiwe atshela abantu ukuthi benze kanjani, akafuni. Bazalwane ngikhulumile ngikuma WhatsApp laba ngikhulume nabo early this year. Ukuthi uJesu akafuni mani celebrate Christmas, akafuni mani celebrate Good Friday. Akusinto zakhe lezi. Izinto ze-antichrist lezi. Uthi kudala lokathulile. So manje this is the end time, reveal everything. Kunabantu if it's Good Friday baye emabandleni from Friday to Saturday and Sunday balala lapho bathi baya celebrate bapheka inyama bayadla. Akusisikhathi sokupheka lesi. Kusele 3 minutes angithi ngitshele.
Yes.
3 minutes. And then uJesu akafuna ukuthi abantu ba celebrate ukufa kwakhe ngoba ufe kabuhlungu. So bona bayo celebrate Friday bayaqula. Hello badlala bona. Yes badla and yena ufe kabuhlungu afela abantu. So ke uJesu akafuna abazalwane bahlangane ngegama lakhe on Good Friday ngoba akusiplan yakhe into yasemkhathini. Into yama fallen angels uJesu uyibeka kanjani. Nalaba bathi today is Christmas yayisontweni so celebrate ukuzalwa kaJesu akafuni kanjalo uJesu. Even if Christmas is on Sunday ninga esontweni because it's Sunday. Kodwa umfundisi makashumayele like every Sunday. Angathi uJesu wazala today, no, uJesu akafuni kanjalo. And uJesu akafuni ukuthi abantu bapheke ngeChristmas but we celebrate Christmas, akafuni ukuthi abantu bapheke abazalwane.
Kumele benze no brother.
Take it normal ngoba uJesu athi akusiwuye ayenza ukuthi kube neChristmas, iyenzo yilaba semkhathini.
So ningabe ngayiphekela bedle la ukuthi ba
uJesu akafuni ukuthi mina ngimeme wena nawe ngithi wozani sizo celebrate today is Christmas. Kudala si celebrate ngithi sikhule siloko sithi happy Christmas, akafuni kanjalo uJesu kubazalwane. Lalela angithi la sikhuluma eRevelation. iRevelation uJesu ukhipha izinto ezifihlakele uthi bantwana bami open your eyes now. Lento le akuseyami la. Kudala ngilongithulile. Lento le akuseyami. Do not celebrate me because lento le iyenzwe ngama Romans. Dala before thina sizama ukuthi uma ba celebrate on Christmas si celebrate idemon. So uJesu uthi kudala lokathulile if it's a Christmas it is fine. Kodwa abazalwane bangayi esontweni bathi today is a Christmas you celebrate ukuzalwa kaJesu. Ningapheki ukudla nibiza abantu nithi happy Christmas. Sikhuluma ngabazalwane. Nami angiyazi uJesu uyayiveza so abazoyiphikisa bazoyiphikisa mina angisekho lapho.
Bathona ngithi vele message unika abantwana bakaNkulunkulu.
uJesu makasibonisa idemon eligcoke Father Christmas athi uyambona uFather Christmas ubani ke? Idemon lakho is a fallen angel. That's why ngithi umkhulu unomzimba omkhulu kodwa ujumpa like uyajumpa chup. uJesu uyasibonisa ukuthi wabo ujabulile ngoba emhlabeni bayenza intando yakhe. Ba celebrate uJesu ngelanga lakhe umuntu lo idemon le. Uyabhayisa abantu. So uthi ke uJesu if ngithengela abantwana beni impahla bathengele ningathi today is Christmas gqoka impahla ezintsha no. Uzazigqoka next week or uzazigqoka today or kusasa but angazigqoki ngoChristmas ngoba ba celebrate these fallen angels ebizwa Father Christmas. This is a secret laba abanendlebe bazayizwa abaphikayo bazaphika. Amen. So it was Christmas abantu bebajabulile and I know ukuthi nabazalwane baye ba celebrate. Ukhona ugogo umama ngasi Pretoria uyangifuna athi brother abantwana bami bangimema ukuthi basilethele ukudla na sizodlela lana ke. Manje ngibuza wena brother ubuza mina. Ngam advice ade bengim advice kakhona athi advice kahle brother ngikhile kithi. Ukuthi abantwana bakhe uya understand akafuni umoya wakhe ungcole yabo umtshele kanti athi brother angeke ngithathe abantwana bami bangithengele into ezimnandi nani kodwa ngikhile kithi akunamuntu uzongena zizeza nini kusasa maziza kusasa is another day, it's not a Christmas. Even if zingeza ngi-24 it is not Christmas. Noma ngathi ngithengele inyama mama nani zapheka nidle, it's okay, but not on Christmas, because on Christmas anything ibasinikeza yona it's a gift and a present yaka Christmas ibasinikeza yona on that day.
Abanye thothi price ifaka iqoko, abanye befaka iqoko lezi ezibomvu. Ayifuneki lento le kufaka ama jumpsuit.
Lalela, it's just that uma uJesu athi akafuni iChristmas, uma athi akafuni uyavelisa ukuthi uChristmas ubani. And makaqeda uvelisa uChristmas omkhulu, ne? Makaqeda avelise abuChristmas babantwana. That means kunabazali abathengela abantwana lezinto. So yena uyasibonisa ukuthi abazali aba yenza lo moya lo ongene kulabantwana. So labantwana bazokhula bayazi ukuthi oh si celebrate kanje ma kuChristmas sigcoka kanje. Kanti izinye izinto they are not for the Christians. And uma uNkulunkulu athi abazalwane banga celebrate Christmas usho kanjani? Because anything that the Lord has spoken or revealed, uthi uJesu ke uthi I have been quiet for a long time, and now the devil is shocked that I am revealing all the secrets. Usho kanjani?
Ukuba ne Christmas tree endlini khona ku.
Cool. I'm not in the house of the Christian. No. Christmas tree uJesu into akhulumile uthi ingabi khona kuphi ngasesontweni.
Endlini. Khona
uma angayifuni asesontweni then nabazalwane bangabi nayo ngasendlini. La sikhuluma nabantwana bakaNkulunkulu. Abantwana bakaNkulunkulu bakhona esontweni futhi bakhona ngendlini zabo. So ngasendlini zabo they must know that if they don't celebrate Christmas, then anything that is connected with the Christmas, they stay away from it. Ungathi nami ngifuna ukuthi kwami kube kuhle nini ke kube kuhle ngoChristmas iyenze ngoNovember. Yenza lento ufuna kuyenza iyenze November.
Oh bengayenza lezi zinto brother, but not on this
not
day.
Not on that day, because on that day in the kingdom of darkness baya celebrate ukuthi le plan le isiyenzile iyasebenza emhlabeni. And njengoba bathokozile emhlabeni nathi la sithokozana sonke.
Sinje thina sikazenzela iChristmas yethu nge-24.
Kithi abazalwane, if but this is December, listen, it's like this. Every Sunday masisontweni the preacher can say that angashumela atshela abantu ukuthi remember Jesus has died on the cross. Angayishumela anytime akafuna ukushumela, hayi ukuthi on Christmas day ufuna ukushumela ngokuthi uJesu wapha wazalwa, not ukuthi yes ukuthi uJesu wazalwa Maria spiritually ngomoya kanjani. Ungashumeza ibandla anytime, any day, every Sunday. Ungameli uyotshela abazalwane on the Christmas day ukuthi ngaleli langa lelo uJesu wazalwa Maria. Ungabafundisi lento leyo on the 25, because on the 25 bona bayazi emkhathini ukuthi ba celebrate ini, yabo. Because thina masibona uChristmas agqoke kanjani, bona in the kingdom of darkness bayazi ukuthi plan yethu ukuthi uChristmas agqoke kanje, i-red bayazi ukuthi igazi eli-red impahla lezi zisho ukuthini. That's why abantu ngoDecember bafela endleleni before Christmas, bayafa bona bacollecta igazi ngemigcomo emikhulu eblue like this, ne? Mabaqeda on the 25 baphuza igazi lelo, badle inyama zabantu on that day. So thina lapha emhlabeni nathi siyabasa ngase next door, siyabasa estradini, siyabasa anywhere kunamapaka khona siyobasa. Kanti emkhathini nabo baphuza igazi leliya. Labantu kade bashona from the 1st of January, 1st of December, 2nd December. Abantu bapha every day bona bacollect igazi balibeka ngale migcomo, bayophuza bahlezi kamnandi baphuza igazi. Thina emhlabeni siphuza i-Grosbo cider, Hunters Dry, bona baphuza igazi, siphuzani sonke. Siya celebrate because bona bayazi ukuthi sibabulela abantu this December, manje siphuza igazi labo, sidla inyama zabo. Nathi thina emhlabeni siyenza the same. Thina sibasa inyama yenkomo, siphuza utshwala, angithi siya celebrate. Kanti bona yibo, it's like wena uyenza iparty umema abantu.
Yeah.
Labo bantu labo ubamemile. If wena you are a devil worship or you are Chris Brown, wena uyazi ukuthi why uyenze iparty today. Laba bazayo baza nje bazo celebrate nawe, bayazi uChris Brown unemali, siyophuza utshwala sidle anything. Kanti anything ebazoyidla lapha yena uyazi ukuthi ingcolile, bazo celebrate naye. Yena uyazi ukuthi njengoba asebenza loSathane uletha ama custom, uzobangcolisa ngithi wabo so ke nabantu abacelebrate all the 25 uma balokubabasa inyama ngesimkhathini badla inyama zabantu masiphuza utshwala la emhlabeni bona ngale baphuza yini igazi labantu si celebrate nabo yabo and si celebrate into bayazi thina siyazi which is uthi aba celebrate mina you can talk about my death or my being born ukuthi uzalwe kanjani singakhuluma ngayo anytime
yeah
singameli Christmas right siyasuka lapho